हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो हम लोग का प्लानिंग ये है कि डेली हम लोग क्या करेंगे, स्टार्ट करने जैसे ऑनलाइन में हम लोग का पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, कुछ स्टूडेंट बोल रहे थे सर ऑनलाइन भी कुछ हो जाना चाहिए, तो हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन क्लास। सो हम सोच रहे हैं वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट टू मीडियम. First of all, one medium is a English medium. We are only speak about English, and second is a Hindi. So first, this is my lecture about the English medium. Only we talk about English, and so we will mainly focus about NCERT for board as like NCERT. Sorry, NCERT. That means mainly focus. Sorry, mainly focus for state board. Okay, STATE, state board. So which board is will start as like there are three board is there. One is CBSE, and second is a Bihar board, and third is a any other board as like NIOS board and another. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about biology. So biology is a two part. One is a zoology and second is a botany. So you already know. So there is some reduces chapter in biology. So when you see about a 2023 biology textbook in NCERT, there is already mention about some chapter. But when you buy now as like 2024, there is a mention about some reduces chapter. Okay, it's like you when you see 2023, there is a first chapter will be reproduction in organism, and second chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plant. But when you see 2024 in NCERT textbook, so you will see here. So first chapter will be sexual reproduction in flowering plant. So we are mainly focused about so new NCERT, but you got to remember, I think. So first is a reproduction in organism. So this reduced chapter will be is only a corona batch. So when you give a as like 2025, so there is a board mention about I think it's included for this chapter. So we also learn about NCERT reduces chapter. Okay, as like first chapter will be reproduction in organism, and second chapter is sexual reproduction is flowering plant. That means so we will read about a zoology and botany portion. Hutad Raj sir, that means me. Okay, you cannot necessary about you search about a zoology and teacher and botany teacher. So we will try to discuss about how can read in textbook and how can we lots of question practices. So slowly we will try. Okay, so first chapter will be sexual reproduction in flowering plant. So first my target what. So there is a given in new NCERT. So first of all we will learn about a line by line in that NCERT. For index there is a one is sexual reproduction, second is a human reproduction. As like we will serially read, and when end of time then we will learn about a reproduction in organism. So reduces chapter we will start about a end month. Okay, end time. So first of all we will focus about a there is a given some chapter, so we will learn about. Okay, so first chapter that name is sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Let's start. Wait, I will check it. See, so what is the chapter name? Chapter name is sexual What happened? Sorry, I'm so sorry for saying, because there is a new tab I cannot understand how can use this, but I will try. Okay, see, when I click this, that means automatically is a white screen, right? So I can change the black screen, because black screen is very helpful for us. So once more I will try it. See, so second chapter name is what? Sexual reproduction in flowering plant. So in this chapter we will learn about the only angiosperm. So what is angiosperm, you know? So angiosperm, that means, you know, you already learned about a class 11. So first we will revision first class 11. You know, plant kingdom. When you read that chapter, KING, kingdom, so when you read that chapter, there is a mention some there is 5 kingdom in according to R.S. Vildeka, there is classification about a 5 kingdom. So one is a what? One is a Monera, second is a Protista, third is a fungi, plant and animal, right? So planta, when you read, so first of all, algae, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm. So I cannot write clearly about algae, Bryophyta, because there is a lots of time. So that's why I write a short form. Okay. So Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. You already know algae, Bryophyta, Pterido do not have any flower, but Gymnosperm have. It's also not flower, but sometime you see about a flower. So Gymnosperm we cannot learn this chapter, but only we mention about a angiosperm. Okay, so angiosperm means only flowering plant. Okay, what is flower? So we will write here what is flower. So flower definition here, you see here, FLOWER, flower. So modify shoot. What is shoot, you know? Modify shoot having fertile, FERTILE, fertile leaves. Okay, so here modify shoot, its flower is nothing but nothing, it's only modify shoot having, okay, having fertile leaves. Okay, so what is shoot? I will once diagram I make here. See, this is a flower. How can, so this is a what? This is a root. Okay, and there is a leaves also, and you can see there is flower also, and there is some branches also, right? So this all person is known about a what? Shoot. Okay, and second term is root. Root is underground in soil, that means we know about a root. And shoot means when you upper side you see, that means there is so many branches there, so this is a shoot. Okay, and what is the definition of flower? So flower is definition about a modified shoot having fertile leaves. So we can use this about a flower as, like, you know, some emotional cases, and some happiness, emotional aesthetic pleasure, also social well-beings. So we can use this flower. So when we read this chapter, so flower is nothing, it's only a reproductive part of plant. You know what is the meaning of reproductive plant? You remember some word, as like when you read about a some animal kingdom, there is a mention about some word. So sorry for that. Flower is a morphological one thing. When you read about NCERT, there is a one line is mentioned. So what is this? There is flower is a morphological and embryological marvel. What is the meaning of, sorry, I am so sorry, because my writing is not clear. There is a new tab now, that's why I cannot write properly. So I want to next slide. You also write this, okay? See, what is the NCERT? There is a mention about NCERT. So flower is a morphological and embryological marvel, MARVEL. So what is the meaning of morphological and what is the meaning of marvel? Means adbhut in the sense of Hindi. You know, there is adbhut, sorry, in the sense of Hindi, okay? We can know, if you don't know adbhut, it's not necessary, but morphological, that means when you see about outside as like a in the sense of inhuman. See, is a, I make some diagram. This is my friend Rambabu. So this is a human, you know. So there we what we will see here. So first of all we will see here this is a here, right? Here HAIR, it's not hairy, HAIR, here is there, and this is what? Eyes, nose, this is mouth, and this is neck. So this character means it's a morphological, we say about the outside, and embryological means, see, this is a flower, what is inside, about how can develop, about seed, a fruit, as like. So this is a so as like a marvel, that means adbhut, okay? So NCERT there is a mention about this line. So what is a flower? That means flower is a morphological and embryological marvel. So there are four type of orals. So what is orals? Okay, I will let's we talk about the next lecture. So first you read a NCERT. There is NCERT first paragraph, okay? If so when we will start a next second chapter lecture, we will mention about this type of topic, okay? So bye, okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's I will close it. So thank you so much for watching.